Raveena Tandon makes her latest film with Aranyak. The plot revolves around Kasturi Dogra, a cop who joins forces with her city-bred replacement Angad to find the missing foreign teenage tourist in a Himalayan town. A harried local cop Tandon teams up with her city-bred replacement Paramrata Chatterjee on a big-ticket case that uncovers skeletons and resurrects a long-forgotten legend of a bloodthirsty serial killer in the woods. Vinay Vaikul will create and direct Aranyak Season 2, an upcoming Hindi Indian language crime thriller web series written by Charadut Atacharya and Rohan Sippy and produced by Ramesh Sippy Entertainment and Roy Kapoor Films. Aranyak Season 2 will be premiering soon on Netflix in May 2020, starring Raveena Tandon, Ashutosh Rana, Zakir Hussain, Paramrata Chatterjee and Saurav Khurana. Kasturi, a hectic local cop, starts working on a big-ticket case that unearths skeletons and resurrects a forgotten Himalayan myth of a bloodthirsty, serial-killing entity in the forest. After a foreign teenage tourist mysteriously disappears in the misty Himalayan town, the actress said that the Kasturi Dogra was a character she empathized with completely. She is a very talented and passionate woman who wants to provide for her family while also excelling at her job. Many Kasturi Dogras have not enough support from family members, nor do they have the chance to pursue their dreams. So her character touched us, and then there's the fact that it's a crime thriller. She further said that she may not identify with her, but she can certainly relate to her. So many people reach a point where they are presented with these opportunities and are forced to make sacrifices due to their responsibilities to their families. Everyone has these responsibilities, but it is always the woman's responsibility to make the sacrifices. And that's the message they want to send. Everyone in the family needs to take on a little responsibility, lend a helping hand so women can take care of their job. Raveena believes it is the highest praise an actor can receive when the viewer understands the character rather than the star on screen. In a recent interview with Indian Express, she stated, "I think it's a happy moment for us when the audience doesn't find a trace of the actor. I think I've gotten the most positive feedback from people who said they weren't looking for Raveena, that I believe is what we worked for and achieved somewhere." Aranyak Season 1 premiered on 10th December 2021 and will be available on platforms like Netflix. However, in order to watch it on Netflix, you do need to get a subscription. Aranyak Season 2 cast will most likely include Raveena Tandon, Ashutosh Rana, Paramrata Chatterjee. It is set to release in the first half of 2022. The story will continue and bring more new revelations with disturbing past relations, as two mismatched hill cop stations navigate a web of suspects following a puzzling murder, political ploys, personal agendas, and a beastly myth all emerge. This is a great thriller show which will be definitely capturing the audience's attention. It not only portrays a strong female lead but also emphasizes the fact that women of this country are bold and fearless. Raveena Tandon revealed more about the world of Aranyak and Kasturi Dogra, saying that she enjoys binge-watching thrillers and thus had no issues with the genre. In the trailer, we see Kasturi mentioning how she got the biggest case of her career just as she was about to take a break. She is also resentful of having to delegate her duties to another officer. The trailer hinted at the show's mystery. A foreign tourist vanishes in their mystery town just as Kasturi is supposed to hand over her position. Subscribe to our channel and share this for more such content.